Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase organic reach with Twitter, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by understanding what organic reach means on Twitter. Organic reach refers to the number of people who see your tweets without paid promotions. The first step is to optimize your Twitter profile. Use a clear profile picture that represents your brand or persona. Craft a concise and engaging bio that highlights your expertise or interests. Incorporate relevant keywords in your bio to improve searchability. Next, focus on creating high-quality content. Share original insights, tips, or stories that resonate with your target audience. Use eye-catching visuals, such as images or videos, to complement your tweets. Aim for a mix of informative, entertaining, and inspiring content. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and direct messages. Interaction builds a community that's more likely to share your content. Utilize hashtags to increase visibility. Research popular and relevant hashtags in your niche. Incorporate these hashtags strategically in your tweets. Regularly tweet to stay on your audience's radar. Create a consistent posting schedule. Experiment with different times of day to find when your audience is most active. Monitor which tweets perform best to refine your approach. Follow relevant influencers and engage with their content. This can help you tap into their audience and gain exposure. Join Twitter conversations by participating in trending topics. Engaging in discussions can attract new followers interested in your perspective. Leverage Twitter lists to organize and keep up with your industry. Curate lists of influencers, supporters, and competitors for ease of access. Encourage others to engage by posing questions and seeking opinions. This invites interaction and boosts your reach. Consider running Twitter polls to drive engagement. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.